Hey guys, so I wanted to film my 60-second vlog outside today because, well, it's such a nice day, and just wanted you guys to have a look at the sky at the moment. Well, it's not that nice actually, it's pretty windy. But yeah, it just looked really, really nice for a second there. And like the sky, I don't know if it will show up on the camera, but it's a bit pink. Yeah, it just looks so nice. But yeah. Anyway, if you're in Melbourne, I think the storm's coming. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Pink and purple and shit. Girly sky. Find me on Instagram, find me on Twitter. I'll see you guys very soon if I don't get stuck in the rain. Bye everyone.